Hey guys, it's Gabriel here. Just want to take a few minutes here today to review the product Typekit. This is available for purchase now, and you are going to be able to see how that all works. Typekit is basically going to help translate your website to any language very easily. That's going to help you convert more traffic and get more sales for your website. And this product is available for purchase now. You'll also be getting my amazing bonuses included in this product today if you were to use my link below. That is going to give you access to those bonuses that are going to really help you to put this on hyperdrive. Okay, so want to stick around to see what those are, but let's go ahead and jump into the product now so you can see for yourself what this product does and what it's about. So if we just go to the sales page, you'll see here the world's first multilingual website translation solution. So you just push one button, and then of course you're going to have it in all the different languages that you want it to be. There's no special skills or experiences needed, and you're going to be able to get more sales, leads, and bookings. So essentially it's pretty simple to use, and I'm going to show you the back end here, what you get when you buy Typekit, and then also how it actually looks on your site when you use it. So of course you just add a website, you copy and paste, and you start translating to a global audience. So here's the creator here, Victory, and he's created a lot of other products too. So he has a lot of experience in making these. He has some testimonials on here, and then also he's talking about what the problem is. And basically the problem that they're solving is that your website's only available in whatever language your native language is, and that a lot of the people who visit your site, if they don't speak your language, they're going to just bounce off your site right away. And that's going to cause your SEO to start to be impacted negatively. And if you had a solution for that, then you'd be able to transcribe that text and have them be able to see it in their native language. Then there's a chance that they're actually going to stick around on your page and therefore want to proceed and go buy your product that you're promoting. So let's just keep going down here. You'll see it says the major traffic leak causes more than 80% of visitors. So it's giving you the stats telling you that 80% of your traffic can't actually read your language. And so you'll get people that just don't really get it. They don't understand what it is. They can't figure out what you're trying to say. And so that causes them to actually leave the page. And so let's just continue to scroll down here. Again, we talked about the SEO side of it. And the reason why it's saying that you want to use this as opposed to something like Google Translate or some of the free ones is that Google Translate is going to break up the flow of the actual page that you're showing them and the actual design of the landing pages. And it's going to be word for word, and it's going to make it to where it actually doesn't make a whole lot of sense the way it's supposed to. And that's why Typekit's going to actually help it to stay in the flow of what the page is supposed to be and still talk and say the things that you want it to say so that it makes sense, so they can actually continue to read it as it's written to be, in a way that they can actually understand to buy the product. Because on Google Translate, again, it's going to make it word for word. It can make it confusing, and also it's not going to keep the flow of the page how you have it set up, so it's going to make it to where it doesn't convert as well. So it's telling you that's why you can't use those ones. And it's better to use Typekit because it's going to solve that problem. So basically, Typekit has a way to be able to generate leads for you and people's information. Because whenever you actually want that site converted, if a visitor comes to your site and they want it to be converted, they will put in their email address so they can have it converted over, and then you capture them. Now you can actually market to that person. So you'll see all that here in just a few minutes. And then it works really fast. Of course, they have the different information here, and then here's the actual product itself. So let's go ahead and see what you're going to get. There's Typekit there. Software allows visitors to translate any page on the fly to any language while keeping the page fully functional and collect them as leads as they translate your page. So of course, it's very simple. It's showing you right here. So look, this button right here, this is it. This is how you translate. So on your site, that's what it's going to look like. And it's showing you they can just open that up. They click whatever language, you can capture their information and then convert them into leads, and then be able to edit translations of your site, remotely edit text on your website to keep the design intact, never pay for a developer. So you can easily translate over your site to different languages yourself. And of course, there's a video on here that shows you how to do that. So more testimonials. And then you're going to get their bonuses as well. So bonus number 1, you're going to get Translator Lite. So it's a mobile app companion. And then that's $97 value. Then you're going to get bonus number 2, which is Page to Speech plugin. So basically, Speaker is a WordPress plugin designed to convert websites' page content into human-like speech. So you're going to be able to use that, and it's going to be able to have a human voice, AI intelligence, go ahead and talking. And then you're also going to get bonus number 3, which is the Typekit Contactor. This is WordPress plugin designed for voice feedback for your website. Allows for you to go beyond the usual text messages and contact forms and get closer to your users. You're also going to get bonus number 4, the Typekit WAPbot, chatbot powered by artificial intelligence. And so you're going to be able to use that and be able to actually have that bot and that app using automation. And then you get bonus number 5, which is the best lead generation tool. And so that's going to be an email opt-in and lead generation plugin. That's a total value of all these bonuses of $622. You're going to be all yours today for free with the purchase of Typekit. And then also you're going to be getting the bonuses I'm throwing in there as well. So we want to stick around to hear those. And then there's 2 different types you can get. You can get the personal Typekit or the commercial ones. So if you're doing a lot of websites and that's your current job, or you do stuff like that, you build websites out and you have a lot more than just a couple of domains that you're managing, then you get the commercial one for 30 website domains, or the personal gives you 15. And then of course you can select 15 languages on this one. You can select 30 on the commercial one. And then again, this one gives you access to 5,000. This one gives you 10. And then you're getting this one for $24.99, but also the commercial one's going to give you more stuff here. So it's telling you all these different things they've done for you. The automatic finder, regular monthly updates, step by step. You're getting all these different things here in the commercial side of things, but you're going to get it for $29.99. So just a few bucks more. You get all the additional websites, domains and everything else for $29.99. It's telling them when the offer expires. And again, it's going over the same content there. And there is a 30-day money-back guarantee that you will get. So that is there as well. Let's go ahead and shift over to the actual back end here of Typekit. Oops, I apologize. Let me put this back here. Okay, so here's what it looks like on the back end. So when you're on the actual site, you're going to have this right here that you are looking at to be able to get in and see the different language for each site that is created here and that they are using. And then we'll go ahead and open this side access here. And let's see if I can get in there. Okay, so got in the back end here. You can now see what that looks like. So you can click here, and that takes you to where I was just at, right? So it's basically showing you the different sites. You can click on here, get the overview, the translations. You can customize and delete them. You can add a new website, okay? But if you go back, then you can see all the different options here. So basically what happens is whenever you put a website in, you want it to be translated, you're gonna have a little bit of code here that you put onto your meta tag in your site, and then that's going to be what allows you to have the translations happening for your site. So that's what the back end looks like. That's how it is. You can translate the text here. There's a bunch of how-to guides. You click on there. They're going to give you a bunch of different videos, and you can see create and set up a website, the language translations, how to all do those. These are all video that you can watch as you see, and you just pull that up, and it just takes you straight there. So
hey, welcome to.
That's how that looks. Again, you can translate those. You put it in there. It tells you which language to which one, and that's how that's going to be used. You have all the different translations. Then you have the visitors, where you can actually pull the data and see for yourself the visitors at your site. And what's cool about this is you'll be able to have a lot of SEO backend information that you can use to your advantage. It's going to tell you a lot of good information to help with your SEO ranking and being able to actually, so all these are blanks. I don't have anything in here. But really the way this would look is you'd see the checklist, you'd see a bunch of different stuff back here, numbers and different things that's telling you about the visitors at your site and everything else that you'd want to know to really start to, increase your knowledge of who's visiting your site. And if you're managing sites for somebody else, you're going to have so much information back here that you'll be able to see and use to be able to give them information that's actually going to help their site with visitors. So there's a bunch of different stuff on the back end here, as you can see. But since this is just limited on my end for the review access, you're not seeing those there. But let me show you what this looks like in action yourself, so you can see what actually happens. So here's what happened. You click on this and you want to choose a language that you want to understand. So someone comes on your site, they're from a different country, it's already in English, and you want to be able to have it translated over so that they can easily use it. They click on that right there and they can choose whatever word they want, right? So if they just click French, you'd hit save and translate. So here's what happens when they're trying to capture your information into your contact information, and will remember your language options. So they put their name and their email, and then they click that, it's going to translate it, and now you have that lead that's in your list now. But if they don't, and they don't want to do that, they have the option to not, and they can just put no, I want to skip. So you can see all the text right here, what that all says, no, I want to skip, and then just like that, it's converted all over to French. So you can see now this whole entire page is in French, just like that. Yep, pretty cool. You can go back, you can click English and press this, no thanks, and it's back to English. That's how it works, guys. Again, there's a bunch of the stuff on the back end where you put the coding in and make sure that you have it, the different options for what languages you want. But basically, again, you can go and put this in different countries, different languages. That way your site appears to them. You can also run ads in different languages on Google, so that way it's cheaper for you to be able to run them in different places, and that way you're not missing out on a ton of traffic that you could be having and sales that you could be getting because you have that feature on there. Now, I'm going to tell you about my bonuses real quick that you're going to get with this when you purchase with my link today. And there is going to be some ones that really work nicely to help you with that. But actually, let me go over the pricing for you real fast, okay? Because that's important. So the front end commercial kit is going to be $37. And really, you saw the pricing before. It was $29.99 for one, $24.99. So just know that's what it is on your end. But the pricing here for the front end Typekit Personal, $33 on that first one. Again, you get 5 website domains, and then you can have the upsell number 1, or actually, sorry, the front end commercial is going to be $39. You're going to have 10 website domains. Then upsell number 1, you're going to be able to have all the different features that you see here for $67. Then you get upsell number 2, which is going to give you Hyper SEO Suite to optimize any website. All those for $67. Then you're going to have upsell number 3, the ads builder. It's going to show you how to build ads and put them into different languages in different countries. That's going to be $47. Then you got upsell number 4. That's the done for you agency, and that's going to have all the stuff done for you already. And then you have upsell number 5, which is the Typekit reseller bundle. That way you can have the license to be able to resell this yourself. And there's your pricing for you there. Let's go ahead and get down to the bonuses here. You got bonus number 1, the secret weapon. Again, telling you all the different tips and tricks on how to be able to make more money online and how you can get more people purchasing your product. Then you got easy passive paydays, another bonus. Again, these are bonuses, guys, that people paid for in the past that are now being offered to you guys for free. These are courses and trainings and softwares that can really help you and are fully worth charging someone for, but these are all going to be free to you today. So the easy passive paydays showing you how to make money just passively online. And then you have the lazy profit explosion, basically being able to hit the snooze button and be waking up to money and commissions just by having this information to make money from your online efforts. And then you have the bonus number 4, the lost code. Again, another one talking about and helping you understand how to make money online. These are all different training courses that are going to be to your advantage to just help drive more traffic to your site. And when you're using Typekit, being able to get more ways to drive more sales for you. And then you're also going to get all the bonuses that Typekit was offering. Remember, they had a bunch of bonuses on there as well. You're going to get all those included today when you use the link to purchase. All you're going to do is when you click the link in the video's description, it's going to take you here. You just click any one of these buttons here, and it'll take you, and you'll be able to have access to the bonuses on the back end, and it'll show you to click, right there, and that's how you'll get it. So that's really it for today, guys. Let me give you my review on this particular product. This is a great product that helps to really give you the options to where you're not just limited to your native language, where you can go internationally, start marketing to people, run ads, get them to your site, and be able to actually have a chance to convert them into a lead that you can then market to. It's going to drive up your sales, as they showed on their results from using this. Really had over a week's course of time or so, they were really able to have a lot of success with their sales and what they were doing. So it's great for that. Now, Typekit, of course, if you're it's not too technical, but if you're not sure or you're not managing your own website, then obviously that would be a little bit more difficult to get that coding there. You'd have to show the person who does manage it how to do it. So that's about the only thing that I don't like. But that's not even a big deal because most of you guys are managing your own websites. So overall, it's a great product and really helpful for you to be able to convert more sales. But I really appreciate you guys watching the video. Again, this product is available for purchase now. So go ahead and pick up your copy today with my link down below and get all those free bonuses. All right, guys, thanks. Until next time.